it's crazy because these are the times where you should be uplifting each other. These are the times where you should be knowing where, baby, we ain't alone, because this is hard around the times that we are in, because we want to be a content creator and ain't nobody supporting and don't nobody understand what we're going through but yourself. Man, it's hard. When I say it's hard, y'all, it's hard. I'm battling with a demon I feel that's inside of me, because I don't even know how to break him. You feel me? He on me because he know God has something for me. He know it. And man, I'm telling y'all, he breaking me in so many ways, but I'm trying to stay strong. I'm trying to stay strong because I know this is where I'm supposed to be. This is where God is telling me your dream will prosper. All you got to do is put in the work. All you got to do is open that phone and record. Do you hear you? Record. Record your life. Everything is content. Everything is content. My heart is so heavy right now, y'all. And I don't even know why. But I swear to God, I feel like that's God telling me to keep pushing. Never, don't give up. This is what you're going to go through. This is the storm that you're going to feel. This is what's going to happen. But you got to go through this so you can tell your story to somebody else. You got to go through this so somebody else on the other side can actually see the true, baby. Content is a blessing. It makes you, and it takes you far. Always remember your why. Because I'm telling you, if you don't remember that why, if you don't understand the reason why you start doing content in the first place, you'll fall off. You'll worry about them numbers. You'll look at that subscriber count. You'll post a video and wonder why them views ain't where they supposed to be, because you know you put in that work. You know you put in that hard dedication. You up late nights, break of dawn. Baby, you trying to get it. And it feels like none of your accomplishments is making it. It feels like you can't do it. It feels like you're nothing like them other YouTubers that's out here that got thousands and millions of subscribers. That ain't us. Don't try to be like them. Don't do no vlogs. You know why they do vlogs? Because they already got their community. Don't do no vlogs. Don't do none of that. Be yourself. Speak your truth. Talk about how the algorithm is on easy mode, because, baby, I'm still trying to see is it on easy mode. But we're going to ride this way because it's financial and informational. Be consistent. Post daily. This is my 3rd video, y'all, and we at 1K. It's hurting me because I know I can do this. I know I'm worth it. But sometimes you look at yourself and you wonder, are you worth it? Is it worth it? Is you doing what you're supposed to do to make it to where you want to be? It gets hard. And I wanted to make this video because I was so in my feelings. I felt like I couldn't do it. I felt like this wasn't for me. I woke up at 1 o'clock in the morning this morning. Just started doing algorithm, looking at my YouTube page. Just worried about the numbers, worried about the views. I mean, crying. My dude not even knowing why I'm crying, but I'm breaking down in the living room. I'm watching videos over and over. Trying to figure out how to do this. Trying to figure out if I'm even doing the right thing. But that's when you got to know that, baby, you just got to keep going. You just got to keep going. If God put it in your atmosphere, if it's so many times you done told yourself you want to give up, but you keep coming back to the app and open it back up and feel like this is what you want to do it. Stop second guessing yourself. Fear is what gets me. My anxiety is what gets me. But I'm trying to put that behind me. I'm trying to push forward. My dude tries to help me, but sometimes I beat him because that's just my mental. That's just me battling with myself. Like, I'm on my way to work and I feel like I just needed to drop this video. It might not be 20 minutes long. It might not be nothing, but that's just what was on my heart. And I just wanted to let y'all know to keep going. Keep pushing, because God got us. He gonna make a way. And at the end of the day, all you got to do is pick up a phone and be consistent and post. Post about how YouTube is on easy mode. Post about how your life and your 9 to 5 is not getting you where you need to be, and this is how much you making. Because I promise you, I want to know about it. I want to hear what it's talking about.